Hello everybody, it's me, Fuse, and today I'm back with another video. Today it's in the morning, because yesterday I couldn't record the video, it wasn't really working. So I deleted some of the videos, just random clips that didn't work, because that's probably the reason why it wasn't working. So we're going to go into another video. I've played a lot of simulators, because Matthew has been playing simulators. Matthew's my brother. Well, this one's Speed Simulator, and he's better at me than it, and I want to be better at, the Speed Simulator in the back, but and he's always better at me than it, and I've been playing a lot simulators, because I want to be better at him at least one simulator, but every single simulator I play, even if I start playing it first, he always gets better than me at it. Like, if I'm, at 1,000 something, and then he joins, and then he automatically gets 1 million. It's not even, that is exaggerating. So, but I'm not gonna play a simulator today, because I'm gonna play something else. The only simulator I might play is a mining simulator, but I'm gonna play natural disaster survival. And I played it yesterday, and I haven't played it in a while, and there's new maps. The prison panic one, it's pretty cool. It's like an interactive map, because you can go in one of the rooms, get a mugshot, and you're stuck into one of the prison cells, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go and play some natural disaster survival. So, yeah. Alright. So, in natural disaster survival, they have, different controls. You can move around over here. It's like this, and then jump normally. I think you used to just tap to jump. I think, when they changed the jump button. I kind of like the old jump button better, where it's a person jumping. I don't know why, it just seems more silly. And then up arrow. But, if I make a game, I could change it to the old one, because I just like it better. And I liked when, this thing, it's just rather natural disasters, natural disaster survival, but I like when it was blue better. More blue. But change happens. It's not a big change, but I just like it better. And in the last video, I was playing around. I never noticed that there was these stuff movement mode, thumbstick. And I just checked them out in the lobby. Alright, it's the exact same thing, because that thumbstick D-pad, yeah, it doesn't work for this, because it has its own controls. So, we're gonna just all the rounds are gonna start now. Oh, it's one of the new maps. Launchland. Nope, not a new map. Oh, there's something else. Yellow Compass. There's another new map where you could drive some cranes. You can already drive stuff before. The first ever interactive map, I'm pretty sure was was probably the racing one, because that's when you could. That's when you could go into a car. I'm gonna go into the rocket ship, because before it takes off. This is, I guess, an interactive map. You can go into a rocket ship and it's gonna blast off. Yeah, I'm going to the rocket ship. Ah, earthquake. I'm not dead. I just see it. What is it? Oh, yes. I'm going to first person. I think the rocket ship has fallen. We're safe in the rocket ship. Just sitting here, very cozy. Actually, it looks really realistic, like a first-person view of yourself. You just look around here. Looks kind of cinematic. What? I jumped off my seat. I can see the ground now. My guy is so happy. I can't see his face, but yep. Looks so cool in first person mode. Enough about that. Let's just try to survive. Whoa. Imagine you were on a rocket ship and this happened to it. It took off right when an earthquake happened. Yeah. Ah. I think we're in space. I don't see the Earth. I don't see anything. I just see white down. And we're probably like super far away from that. From the... Nope, we're not. I can see the island. I wish it actually like, took off. Does it? I think it might, but that one is just story. That was cool. I like that map. One time I was playing Natural Disaster Survival with a lot of people and my friends, and then it was Launchland, and it was like 3,000 times in a row. I keep exaggerating in this episode, but about like 7 times in a row, there was Launchland, and then people just started leaving the game, and it was only us 4, because I had 3 other friends that I was playing with, and some other guy named Gaunt, and I'm still friends with him. We're like the only ones in the server, and he sent us all friend requests. So we're all friends, but he never plays, so we haven't seen each other in a while. Ooh, car. Let's go into it. I think I was 2 interactive maps in a row. If you count Launchland as an interactive map. That was a sneeze. Thunderstorm. Oh, I am so unlucky. I'm really unlucky. The lightning hit me. Just exactly a direct hit on me right as I was at this first lightning strike. At the start, right when it said there's gonna be a thunderstorm, hit me. There's gonna be a thunderstorm today. Those are like target players or something. Cause I was really unlucky, but yeah. Okay. Let's watch this. Oops. Alright. An apple a day saves the day. Red apples last forever. Just a Robux. Pasha Dev. High school. Me and my friends are at high school. We all like have our rooms, and we're talking about like, hey, want to visit my classroom and stuff. So every time I do high school, my classroom is this one. It's my classroom. Wait. I'm gonna stay up on the lockers. gonna go to my classroom if it's something that I should go to my classroom for, like math class. That's a disaster. Stay away from your classroom actually if you have math class. Seek warmth and shelter. I'm gonna go into my classroom. That'd be a good place. It's onto a chair. The blizzard is pretty easy to survive. Okay, it's warm here. Nah, it's cold here. Cold. Alright. Yes. Oh, wait. Alright. I think we're safe. I can teach math class. I'm not the teacher. It's getting a little colder here, and now it's blizzardy. I'm gonna go right here. The corner is probably the warmest. Nope, it's cold. There. This is good. Do blizzards actually do this? I haven't seen a blizzard. This is probably easy to survive. But do blizzards actually take down walls? This guy's almost dead. I haven't took any damage from the blizzard. Yeah. Survive. So, I think now it's time to end the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Goodbye.